Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how to make these beautiful scrunchies. They're perfect for gifts and for self-use. You need a rectangular fabric that measures 27 inches by 5 inches. You will also need an elastic that is 10 inches long. Now fold the fabric right side facing into two this way, and then you sew 0.5 inch at the edge. After sewing, open it up this way. Flatten the seam allowance, you can iron it, and then fold the top fabric. Ensure you fold it as small as you can. Then you can hold it down with a finger while you use your other hand to fold the remaining fabric edge to edge. Now put your fabric on the machine and sew with a 0.5 inch seam allowance. While sewing, tuck in the inner fabric. Repeat the process. Once you're almost out of fabric for sewing, put your needle down in the fabric and then you pull out that part that you folded. Ensure you tuck in the fabric as well so that your needle doesn't catch the fabric. Repeat this process. Put the needle down, pull the fabric that you folded, the inner fabric, and then you sew. Keep on sewing until you are about 1.5 inches away from the end of the fabric. So you have to leave an opening of about 1.5 inches, which is this part that I am showing you right now. Ensure to backstitch. Now bring in the elastic. You can use your safety pin for the elastic. Put it through from this end up to this end, okay? Ensure the elastic doesn't snap in. Once it is out at the other end, tie a knot. Once the knot is secure, what you do next is to find the opening that you left while you were sewing, and then you pull out the inner fabric. Ensure you do it gently so that your stitches don't break. Here you go. This is the scrunchie. The last thing to do is to close up the open part, so you can unstitch it if you want a very neat and close finishing, or you can do it on your machine. This is so beautiful. So just as an afterthought, I wanted to show you that you can also put your labels in the scrunchie. So you put it in the open part this way before you close it up. Alright, then you stitch. Now these are the scrunchies. You see how beautiful they are. You can use very exciting colors. Thank you very much. Bye.